What would you do to save your family, your city, your entire civilization? For one ancient culture, the answer may have been a sacrifice so dark, so profound, it's been hidden for 5,000 years. In the sun-baked hills of southeastern Turkey, at the site of Baysir Hoyuk, archaeologists have uncovered a Bronze Age cemetery that challenges our view of early societies. This isn't just bones and artifacts, it's a glimpse into a desperate bargain humanity once struck with the unknown. This video explores sensitive themes of ritual violence and youth mortality, viewer discretion advised. For millennia, civilizations turned to the divine for protection, offering promises, and sometimes, the ultimate price. At Baysir Hoyuk, an ancient mound in Turkey's Şanlıurfa region, teams from the University of Szeged, led by Dr. Zsolt Barecki, unearthed over 50 graves dating to around 3000 BCE. At first glance, it looked like a prosperous community, tombs rich with bronze spearheads, colorful glass beads, and finely woven textiles, relics of a thriving Bronze Age world. But dig deeper, and the story darkens. The skeletons, not elders or battle-hardened warriors, but young adolescents, mostly teens aged 11 to 20. Some bones bore subtle signs of ritual trauma, cut marks, unusual positioning, and grave alignments that suggest more than natural death. This wasn't a war cemetery. The lavish goods imply these burials were ceremonial, almost sacred. Could these artifacts have been offerings not just for the afterlife, but to seal a ritual pact? Scholars debate fiercely, was it a tragic coincidence, plague or famine claiming the young, or something deliberate? The precise grave layouts, selective ages, and ritual items point to an organized event. Imagine the echoes of Hittite influences here in Anatolia, the cradle of myths that later shaped Greek and Roman lore. Did this community sacrifice its youth to appease gods, staving off disaster for their city? Recent 2023 to 2024 excavations fuel the theory, linking it to broader ancient Near Eastern practices. Picture a girl we'll call Ella, barely 14, her slender hands strung with iridescent beads, laid to rest under a shroud of woven wool. Her family, huddled in fear of encroaching drought or raiders, might have seen this as salvation, one life for the many. In a world without science, where thunder was divine wrath, human value wasn't just in years lived, but in symbols offered against the void. It's a gut-wrenching truth, one that hits harder knowing these roots fed into the epics we cherish today. Archaeology doesn't just exhume the past, it unearths our shadows. The bones of Baysir Hoyuk aren't relics, they're a raw window into desperate choices. As climate crises and conflicts rage today, that 5,000-year-old question lingers: what would you sacrifice for your home, your loved ones? If this ancient echo gripped you, don't bury it again. Smash that like button if it made you think twice, drop a comment, what line would you draw? And subscribe with notifications on, we're unearthing more hidden histories, like the lost rituals of Mesopotamia next. Dig in with us.